Hello everyone, good morning, namaste, sat sri akal, adab. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Guys, today I am unboxing the footwear which I purchased from Meesho. So let's start. Guys, you can see how beautiful this sandal. It is amazing and its material is synthetic. I have bought it from Meesho in 293 and I like it very much. If you also like it very much and if you also want to buy, then I will mention its product code in the description box. You can see from there. If you like today's video, then like, share, comment on the video. And if you are visiting first time on my channel, then subscribe my channel. Till then, bye. See you soon with new video with new topic.